So here's a video. I just got my new Molle door, I guess, safety catches for my Jeep Wrangler installed on the passenger side, and I just want to show you how it works. So basically, here's the front door, and then in the back, there's this cool little piece that you can install right down here that catches the safety hook. It basically repositions this anchor point from, used to be inside of here, but now it sits out here. And the beauty of that is now when you open the door, you have this much room to allow passengers to enter your car. So it really opens the back door and makes it easier to get in the back for passengers and whatnot. And as you can see with the front, here's how wide the door is open. I can take this door and the two of them never intersect. So despite how wide I open that, they never touch each other. So very cool little product. It's about 25 bucks with free shipping. Link in the description below. Very happy. Thanks. Just wanted to do a quick comparison to show you how the new bracket is so much different than the factory JK rear door bracket. So this is what's in the pocket that was behind the little door, and that's what the safety strap hooks to. And this is what the new Molle bracket looks like. As you can see, it feeds into the pillar and then extends out of the hole, and this is basically what you attach the safety loop to. So pretty slick little product, highly recommended. So thanks for watching. And here's basically where we have it installed. So thanks for watching, and hope you find this product as useful as I did.